All right, number 7. Okay. And first, I'm just going to draw it. That's step 1. So 7, and I'm going to draw an XY graph. And do you need to draw a graph for each one? Yes. This is going to be like 3 assignments. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Directed line segment. And this is number 7. This one, the answer is wrong. At least on the worksheet it is. So this is -3, -4.
What did they get that for? I stopped at 6.
That's 6. Okay. And 2, 0. And it says it's from B to A, and the ratio is 1 to 4. And here's my line. And let's be very neat as much as we can and do some steps. Step 1 is find the distance. So, absolutely, yep. Let's do the X value and the Y. For the X, you're going from B to A, right? Only focus on the X values. So it's going to be 2 to -3. We okay with that? You're only using the X values. And since it says B to A, you're starting with this X value at B, and I'm going to this value at A. You didn't write the question? Okay. Okay. I mean, it's okay. Because this is really the question here. All right. In my Y, let's see, where's my Y? I'm going from B to A. So what am I going to write here for the Y? I'm going from 0 to -4. All right, what's my ratio? Well, let's find the distance. I didn't find the distance yet. How far is from 2 to -3? -5. Not -5. It's just 5. No, you're okay, but your distance is never negative. So that's going to be 5. And what's my distance here? It's just 4. Okay? All right, step 2. We're going to be neat about this. I'm going to call it the partition or proportion. Same thing. I probably like proportion better. So remember, you're dividing it up into a 1 to 4, right? So if I were to draw it, you're kind of going backwards though. Let's draw it up here. And it's 1 to 4. That means you have 5 spaces. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3. I need 4 lines, which gives me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spaces. So 1 to 4 is going to be 1 space, because I'm starting here, to 4 spaces. I'm really looking for that point estimate. In my partition or proportion, I'm going to write proportion. That's going to bother me, because they're similar but not the same. My proportion is 1 out of 5. So I'm going to multiply 1 out of 5 by both of these. We okay with that so far? So that's going to be, put that over 1. That's 5 over 5, which is, that's 1. This is going to be 4 over 5. We okay?
Yeah.
All right, what's next? Is it subtract or add? This is the part. The part. add or subtract from the start. Very important. And how do I know? If it's increasing, you're going to add it. If it's decreasing, you're going to be subtracting. So I'm going from, let's see, a high value to a low value. What's going down? What's happening? It's decreasing, so you're going to subtract. So I'm going to write here, let's just write subtract. And this one you're going from, let's see, a high value to a low value, so you're also going to be subtracting. Okay? And that's from the start. Where's my starting number? This one was 2, right? So it's going to be 2 minus 1. What's 2 minus 1? Is 1. And the next one is, let's see, 0 minus 4/5. So this is your x. My y is 0 minus 4/5, which is, what's that? Negative 4/5. So that's y. So my answer should be, yes, question 1.
Do we always put the start in front of the number?
Yes, yes. So that's your answer. So the answer key had -1, comma -405,
But it was positive.
but it should be positive.
Oh, I always thought you were using your keyboard to draw that. I didn't know you had that.
Oh, yeah. I love this bamboo.
That would probably make that so easy.
Yeah.